Hey guys, welcome back to the home workout series. Today we're going to be working on our back and
Alright guys, so we're gonna get started with this back and shoulder home workout. So I'm first starting off with some bent over lat raise, and I'm pressing back and squeezing my back as well while I'm doing this. I'll make sure to use a light weight, and we're going to be doing 10 to 15 reps, 3 sets. Now we're going to jump into shoulder raises, and we're going to be doing 10 to 20 reps. Again, I'm using a light weight to do these because they will start to burn. Now these are my favorites, and they will burn, guys. And you can see that I'm struggling a little bit. So this is a front shoulder raise. Let's see how I have my hand. It's going up. And it's working my shoulder. And also we're doing 10 to 15 reps. And we're going to switch. And we're going to do one hand upright rows, 15 reps. And with all of these workouts, we're going to do 3 sets. So go through them and then repeat the exercises again. Now for the last workout, we're doing a shoulder press, and I'm using the bands as well. And they get a little tough towards the end, so if you need to do less reps, it's okay. So you want to do 10 to 15 reps and a set of 3. You got it, guys. So you make sure that you can stop this, pause it, and then finish your set, and then come back.
hey guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this home workout on our shoulders and our back. I know it was quick, but make sure that you drop the weight and then do more reps so you guys can feel it, so you guys can feel the burn. So I hope you guys like this home workout video. Make sure to catch me on tomorrow. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can come and work out with me every day. Thanks guys.